Hi everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how you can make your Instagram account private. So open the Instagram application on your mobile device. Once you open the Instagram application, you need to tap on your profile icon on the bottom right, tap that. Here you need to tap on the three horizontal lines on the top right corner, and there you need to tap on settings. Inside settings, you tap on the privacy option on the very options available. Tap on privacy and there you will have the option of account privacy on the very top. There's the private account option just below that and a toggle to change the account to private. Business accounts cannot be private. If you want to make your account private, switch back to personal account. So basically, if your account is personal, only then you will be able to switch it to personal. But if it is business, you need to change it to the personal first, then only you can change it to the private. Tap on OK. Now to change it to the personal, you go back and here you tap on accounts. There you scroll down to the very bottom and tap on switch account type. Tap that. Now there's two options, switch to business account, switch to personal account. You need to tap on the personal account option. Tap that. Switch to personal. When you switch back to personal account, in-app insight will be turned off and insight from all your business content including your ads will permanently removed. You tap on switch to personal. Now then only you will be able to change your account to private. So go back to settings, tap on privacy and then tap on the toddler. By switching your account to private, only your followers will be able to see your posts and videos. Tap on switch to private and you can see the change in the toddler move to the right side with the blue icon. So this is how you can switch your Instagram account to the private. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.